Hey guys, are you want to buy best Tangle-Free charging cables? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about Top 5 Best Tangle-Free charging cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Faracent charging cables, the Faracent USB 3.2 Type-C extension cable offers impressive 20 gigabits per second, high-speed data transfer. Enabling quick syncing of HD movies in second speed depends on your device. It supports ultra-fast 2.4 charging 48 volts, 5A, compatible with various power levels like 140W, 100W, 65W, and 30W, ensuring efficient power delivery. With 4K at 60G video output, it delivers crisp visuals from USB-C laptops to displays or monitors, dial. For gaming or movies. Built with dual-layer nylon braiding and aluminum alloy connectors, this cable is durable and flexible for daily use. It works well with many USB-C devices, including iPhone 15/16, MacBook Air, M1, M2, M3, iPad mini, and more. Note, it's not compatible with Thunderbolt 3 docks like Dell TB1516s or Belkin Thunderbolt hubs. Overall, a reliable extension cable for enhanced connectivity and charging convenience. Now, our second product is Ainope charging cables. This 10-feet Ainope USB-C to USB-C right-angle cable supports ultra-fast 2.4 charging with PD 3.0, 3.1, and QC 3.0, quickly powering devices up to 80% in 30 minutes. Designed with a smart eMark chip, it ensures safe, efficient charging while protecting your device's battery and adapter. The exclusive 90L shape adds convenience and comfort for gaming, video watching, or reading while charging. Though it's USB 2.0 with 480 megabits per second data transfer, not USB 3.0 4K, it delivers reliable performance. Built tough with reinforced senior joints and laser welding, it withstands up to 40,000 bends and 175 pounds tensile strength, offering exceptional durability. Compatible with devices having a 5.5 mm thick case charging port. Ideal for home, school, or travel. Includes 24/7 customer support for peace of mind. Our third product is CyvenSmart charging cables. This 2-pack USB-C to USB-A cables are compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhone 15 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S series, LG, Nokia, HTC, and more. They feature upgraded cord protection, tested to withstand over 12,000 bends for enhanced durability and reduced fraying. Certified for 3A fast charging, these cables deliver up to 5 volts, 3A current, which is 40% faster than typical USB 2.0 cables, ensuring safe and efficient power delivery. With data transfer speeds up to 480 Mbps, syncing files between devices is quick and reliable. Each 6-feet cable offers convenient length for easy charging at home or office, even from hard-to-reach outlets. The package includes 2 cables, a welcome guide, and friendly customer support, making these cables an excellent backup choice for everyday charging and data needs. Now number 4. Herfair charging cables. This 2-in-1 USB 30-pin cable from Herfair supports both fast charging and high-speed data transfer. Ideal for older iPhone, iPad, and iPod models with 30-pin ports. Compatible with iPhone 4S 3Gs, 3G, iPad 1, 2/3, and various iPod generations. It doesn't support newer devices or audio functions. The cable delivers 2.4 of fast charging, ensuring your devices power up quickly, and can transfer a 1 GB movie in just 2 minutes, saving time. Made with high-density braided wire and reinforced connectors, it's durable, tangle-free, and flexible. Backed by an 18-month warranty, Herfair offers hassle-free replacement or refund if any issues arise. A reliable and practical choice for maintaining and charging your legacy. Apple devices efficiently, and our last choice is Ugreen charging cables, the Ugreen USB 2.0 printer cable is an ideal solution for connecting printers, scanners, servers, hard drives, cameras, digital pianos, and other USB-B devices to computers, Mac, PC, or laptops. It offers high-speed data transfer up to 480 Mbps, providing a more stable and efficient connection compared to Wi-Fi. Compatible with a wide range of devices including HP DeskJet, Canon MG series, Epson XP series, Brother, Lexmark, Dell, Samsung, Oki, Yamaha digital piano, and more. The cable features corrosion-resistant gold-plated connectors and foil braid shielding to ensure long-lasting performance without signal loss or noise. It's plug and play, requiring no drivers for easy setup. Note that this cable is USB 2.0, Type B, not USB 3.0, making it perfect for reliable, everyday use with compatible devices. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.